solitary, exhausted, solitary. Some backward lights making waves.
Yeah, I'm in my solitary phase. I open up this page, emotions running through my mind. I'm nothing but a slave to my passions and desires. Man, I'm locked up in a cage. I overreact sometimes when fear get on my nerves. Sometimes I overthink a lot and observant of who I serve. I recently completed my degree, I'm seeking employment. What's my next move? I'm ducking these questions, I'm in avoidance. I'm blessed with so many talents and time, I'm in the process. Flexibility of logical thoughts in my vicinity. Allergic to lies from backstabbers and frenemies. I keep it on lock like Ricky Ross in penitentiary. 100% all lean, just like a century. I take it back, I speak facts, I promise not to speculate. Regurgitate words with these controversies. I stimulate, I simulate. I like to be alone, sometimes I meditate. In a third world nation and it's hard for me to integrate. I interject with young black philosophers with intellect. Decolonizing religious indoctrination as hindrance. I pick a verse that talks about faith, not self-righteousness. When all of us is claiming that we're perfect, that's hypocrisy.
Just bring with you nothing. I said bring with you nothing. Just bring with you nothing. I said bring with you nothing.
Yeah. I was made in this image, I'm like a god. I contemplating spiritual meanings, tearing apart principalities, strongholds, kings lit in the dark. I'm the universe with planets that goes beyond the stars. I'm the voice speaking deep in the concrete jungle, set on a mission of free souls trapped in the struggle. Stay humble, nothing is special with mortal bodies. I wanna know who got these. I'm searching for the portal that leads to immortality, to emancipate the mind. But is freedom really a right? You have to put some effort, I heard it comes with a price. You can only be truly free when believing Jesus Christ, cause he's life. The materialistic world is gonna end. It's only a matter of time. Yeah.
Night with no shade, enjoying exhausted, solitary, exhausted, solitary. Some backward lights making waves.